Good afternoon, guys. Happy Friday. It's almost 2 o'clock and malamang nagtataka kayo. Friday! Bakit ka nasa bahay? Bakit ka hindi nagtatrabaho? Charot. Because we have an update for you guys. Sheena and I. Yeah, obviously, we resigned. It's a long story and I don't want to go into details, but long story short, yeah, we resigned because hindi lang fit for us yung work, and there's a lot of red flags that came up and we think na it's best that we leave. But one major concern namin ni Sheena is like we started ng Wednesday. So Wednesday until the Friday of the following week. So Wednesday up to Friday the following week. Uy, isang linggo na pala today. Yeah. Pumapasok kami sa office na wala pa kami pinipirmahang kontrata. So on that day, no, natapos yung Friday na yon, and then syempre nag-iisip na rin kami, umuwi kami ni Sheena na parang wondering should we still continue, ganyan, and the expectation na yung setup na wala akong start and end time ng work. Alam mo yun, even after office hours, people are calling me. Nagme-message din yung boss namin, nag-uutos, may pinapagawa. So, I don't think that's gonna work for us, especially pag pumasok na kami. Kasi, nagkaroon kami ng usapan and possible na parang inayos yung schedule namin na para pagdating ng pasukan, yeah, we can still work and ganun. Pero I don't think it's gonna work for me, lalo na kung ganun, na parang, kasi nga, di ba, parang naging kami yung point person ng lahat. Na-mention ko naman kung ano yung ano niya, yung business niya, di ba? He has 12 branches ng restaurant, pero yung isa doon is a franchise, so hindi niya hinahandle. So 11. So one day of that week, pinatawag niya kami sa lahat ng branches. He asked us to introduce ourselves, parang kami na yung magiging point person, kung may issue kayo, ganyan, you inform us. So, ganun na nga ang nangyayari, na even after office hours, you know, you get calls. Hindi ganun yung napag-usapan. Yeah, it's not gonna work for us. Yun, para kaming CEO na even on nakakatawa kasi Friday kami nag-decide ni Sheena na magre-resign na kami. And since in-interview niya kami ng sabay, yung resignation namin sabay din, tapos via email na lang. Mag-alas 12 na ng gabi noon, naisipan namin na sige na, magsisend na kami. And before we sent that, nagsabi din kami dun sa yung kaibigan ko or yung teacher ko dati. Teacher ko to sa Pinas, hindi ko teacher dito sa Canada. Teacher ko dati sa Pilipinas na nagsabi din sa kanya na magre-resign na kami kasi ganyan. And he na kasi yung pronoun niya ngayon. He totally understood naman yung aming decision. Sabi niya, I get it. Medyo toxic nga daw si boss. So, ayun. And nag-resign kami ng Friday night, diba? Tapos, kinabukasan, Sabado, nandun ako sa field trip ng Banff. Hindi pa niya siguro nababasa yung message. May utos siya sa akin. May text siya sa akin, may inuutos siya sa akin. Hindi na nag-reply. Tapos mga bandang after lunch niya na nabasa, doon na lang siya nag-reply. So, ayun. Anyways, yeah. So, back to zero kami ni Sheena. And ito nga, so, meron ako mga vlogs nga sa office before that Banff field trip na in-upload ko recently. Pero, hindi ko na in-edit for what, diba? Hindi ko na nilagay yung vlogs na yun. So, anyway, so, nung field trip ng Banff. So, nandun yung boss ng school, ng International Center, diba? I mentioned before na she was encouraging us, kami ni Sheena, na mag-apply for the position. And ang deadline to apply for that position is nung 15, nung birthday ko. Kaya nung birthday ko, talagang sobrang anong-ano ako na, ano ba, tutuloy ba tayo dito? Or mag-apply tayo sa ano? So, we ended up, Sheena and I ended up, you know, staying kasi parang binigyan naman ng benefit of the doubt. Tapos, in a way, I was hoping na yung for experience. Kasi we were hired as bookkeepers, diba? Pero natapos yung ilang days, wala kami ginagawang sa bookkeeping. More on nasa marketing ako. Which is, hindi nga ako nag-major ng marketing. Pero marketing yung ginagawa ko. Ayoko na, I hate marketing. Excuse or wala akong against sa mga nag-marketing major. Pero ako personally, I don't think I am fit for marketing. So, ayun, I stayed because I wanted to have that bookkeeping, accounting related experience. Pero nga kami for the how many days kami pumasok, hindi man kami wala. So yun, more on marketing yung inasikaso ko. And then ayun, so nag-due date na yun, hindi kami nag-apply. And then, nung Sabado, nung field trip, I talked to the boss. Sabi ko, is it possible pa din ba na mag-apply, ganyan-ganyan? Sabi niya, i-check niya. Kasi sabi niya, gusto ko sa'yo mag-apply. But I have to check sa manager niya. Siyempre, may boss din siya. Tapos, Sabado yun, naka-leave siya ng Monday. Sabi niya, Tuesday siya babalik. So, babalitan na kami ng Tuesday. And today is Friday yan. So, tumilagay kami ng Tuesday. Ayun, unfortunately, hindi na pwede. Hindi na nila may open kasi out of, kumbaga, na-fill na yung interview slots. Parang nag-set sila ng ilan lang yung interviewin nila and meron nang i-interviewin. So, and at the same time, me as a global student ambassador ng SAIT na kinuha ng International Center ay hindi pala pwedeng magkaroon ng another position. Kumbaga, parang, since meron akong position sa International Center, hindi ako pwedeng offeran ng another position sa International Center. So, even if nag-apply ako way before the deadline, hindi rin pala ako pwede. Sabi niya, marami din daw na student ambassador na nag-apply that they had to turn down kasi hindi nga pwede. So, si Sheena, yun ang sayang kasi, kung nakapag-apply siya beforehand, most probably nakuha si Sheena. So, yeah, my term, parang may mayor yan. Yung term ko sa student ambassador is 2 semesters. So, last semester, tsaka this semester. So, hopefully, pag natapos na ako this semester and magkaroon ng opening ulit sa school na as office assistant. So, apply ako. We'll see. But yun lang, yun ang ating life update so far. And today, ngayon Friday, pero walang pasok yung mga bata kasi today din yung kanilang parent-teacher conference. So, parang one-on-one time with the teacher if you have any concern. Hindi ko to sa Pinas dati, diba naalala ko yung mga PTA meeting, yung lahat ng parents sa classroom, tapos yung teacher, tapos magre-raise ng concern. Pero dito kasi, in person, one-on-one with the teacher, 10-minute tigti 10 minutes kayo ng time. So, pwede mong i-book in person or by phone call. So, originally, since nung nag-email kasi about this, may work pa ako. So, originally, si Daddy dapat ang a-attend. And, kasi off siya ng Friday. So, siya dapat ang a-attend. Tapos, tinanong ko siya, anong gusto mo, face-to-face or phone? Sabi niya, phone na lang. Kasi, syempre, pag nag-face-to-face siya, kailangan isama niya pa yung dalawa sa school. So, baka wala naman silang gagawin doon. Walang mga tao, kundi mga teacher. So, sabi niya, phone na lang. So, ini-schedule ko siya for phone interview or for phone meeting with the teacher. So, but since wala na akong work, sabi na Daddy, ikaw na ako mausap. So, yun, halos kakatapos lang namin with Zach's teacher. Tapos, mamayang 2:20 is with Zeb's teacher naman. So, okay naman. Zach is doing great. Kasi meron silang progress, parang report card, pero they don't grade the students na 90, 80, hindi ganun. Hindi ganun yung grading nila. Hindi ko alam kung anong level magsa-start yung ganung grading or anong grade. Pero for now, sa grade nila, ang mga lang nila is parang excellent. Ano nga yun? Above EX, AB, AC, tsaka ayun, so excellence, hindi excellent, excellence yung EX, above acceptable yung AB, acceptable yung AC, and Y is not yet meeting acceptable. So ito yung Parang hindi pa namin meet. Tapos, no mark. Ito, merong mga grade, nung last year, nung progress report nila, Zeb, meron silang no mark kasi nga, pumasok sila May na nga ba yun? Oo, May na. So, May, June, 2 months na sila pumasok. So, nung binigyan siya ng progress report, hindi sila mag-gradean kasi sobrang iksi ng panahon para mag-gauge nila kung ano yung performance. So, but this year, syempre, meron na silang ano. So, this is from, kailan na silang start? September nga ba sila nag-start? Nalimutan na no? Oo, September sila nag-start up to January performance. Tapos magkakaroon ulit sa kailan nga ba? June. Yeah. Ay siguro hanggang December performance to kasi yeah, I think so. So far with Zach, majority of his grades are AB and AC. And siguro mahirap naman kasi magbigay ng EX, yung perfect. Kasi parang wala ka ng room for improvement. So, AB, AC, he got good feedback naman. Very bright, sabi, and helpful sa mga klase niya na medyo nalileft behind. And mahilig magbasa, mag-read kasi pinapagbasa sila ng mga chapter books na eh. Sabi niya na, if Zach can read all day, I think he's gonna read all day. Tapos, yeah, something to work on ni Zach is, I think, more on empathy. Sabi niya, kasi pagka, kunyari, mayroong mga kaklase na hindi nakakaintindi nung topic, parang nafu-frustrate si Zach na sasabihin niya, how come you don't understand? Why can't you pick it? Why can't you get this? Mga ganung side comments. So sabi niya, we are working on that. Sabi ko, yeah, kahit kami dito sa bahay. So yung empathy ni Zach, we need to work on. So we'll see ano yung sasabihin kay Zeb naman mamaya 2:20. I think si Zeb is much better in terms of EQ. Although iyakan din yun, mana sa nanay. So we'll see. Pero in terms of performance, yung report card din ni Zeb, okay din. Wala pa silang EX. Wala silang na EX, pero majority din niya is AB and AC. Yeah, so, ayun. And then, yeah. And then, kaya ako nakabihes kasi nga, meron akong volunteer sa school. Yes, ganito yung kasipag. Mag-volunteer na lang, no? So, para, in a way, well, na-meet na namin yung required na volunteer hours with International Center. Matagal na. Pero, yeah, today, masaya kasi, masaya din yung event. It's a karaoke night with, yeah, the students. Pero, sinend lang tong email nito sa mga bagong students. Yeah, sa mga bagong students this semester. So, mamayang, kami, 3:30 to 8 ang event sa school. Karaoke night. And yeah, malay mo, mapakanta din ako, char. Si Sheena kasama ko din. And then kahapon, nagpunta rin kami sa school kasi meron ding first ever nila na ginawa. Kumbaga kung may job fair, may volunteer fair. So, nag-invite sila ng mga maraming companies but mostly non-profit organization. Tapos kasi to recruit volunteer. So, pumunta kami to sign up. Pero hindi pa kami officially nagsa-sign up. Kasi syempre, dadaan pa yun sa, meron din silang pa-interview. Tsaka depende rin kung ano yung volunteeran mo. Minsan kailangan nila ng police check, mga ganun. So, hindi basta-basta. Pero merong dung yung, foundation ni Ronald McDonald, mga ganun. Tapos meron din yung mga pangbata, may autism, meron din mga may Alzheimer's, or basta, iba-iba mga non-profit organization na may mga sarili-sarili silang cause. So, nagkuha kami, kasi yung pag-sign up naman ng volunteer, you need to do it online din. So, kuha ko lang mga brochure, tapos, pero hindi ko pa naasikaso. Pero kami mga gustong i-sign up pa ni Sheena, pero hindi pa finalized. Anyways, ang haba na nadaldal ko. Okay, see you later. Yung pala yung update natin for now. So, kung meron kayong alam na hiring, let us know. Kasi continuous naman pag-apply namin ni Sheena. So, yeah. Okay. Ayan na. Tapos na. Katapos lang nung katapos lang nung call ko with yung teacher ni Zeb. And unang-unang sinabi niya, emotionally. Sabi niya, meron mga parang naririnig siya na instance like, nyari, pag nag-gym sila, yung parang meron silang parang everyday nag-gym sila or naglalaro sa gym sa mga pagka-being competitive, pag natatalo, ganyan. So, I've heard some stories na iiyak nga daw si Zeb, ganyan. So, sabi ko, yeah, I think he got that from me. It's okay. Sabi niya, that's understandable naman. Pero, yun lang. And in terms of his schoolwork, he's doing good. And he's more of an AB student daw. Yung, ano yun, above acceptable. So, yeah. We just need to focus on your writing. Sabi niya kasi, preparing them for grade 5 na. Kasi nga grade 4 si Zeb ngayon, diba? Obviously. So, preparing na, kasi mas, syempre, the higher the level, pahirap ng pahirap. So, yun, mga essay writing nila, mga research, meron silang mga ganon. So, he needs to, like, focus and wag madaliin. Kasi parang, napapansin niya parang minamadali ni Zeb yung gawa niya. And, yeah, so, yun lang naman. It's ano na, medyo mas maaga tumawag sa akin yung teacher. Hindi ko na-expect na tatawag na siya. So, ayun. And, preparing na to go in a while. Usapan namin ni Sheena around 3 o'clock sa bus stop. So, it's almost 2:25. So, let's get ready. Hindi pa ako nakapag-shoes na lang. So, yeah. Hirap maglakad, guys, sa ganito. Parang naglalakad sa sand, hindi patag. Tapos minsan madulas pa. Anyways. Oh my goodness. We're on our way to school. Wait nga. Ayan. On the way na rin si Sheena Marie. Sa bus na siya. And the weather is good today. Naka-leather jacket lang ako. Hopefully, hindi ako lamig mamaya. It's positive 5, 6, 7, mga ganun. Pag-check ko kanina. Pero mamayang gabi, pag uwi namin, mga -2, -4. Pero, tikas ulo natin yun. Naka-leather jacket lang ako. Ayoko mag-puffy jacket. So, yeah. Jeans and this, para siyang rain boots. Kasi ano, parang jelly-ish. But anyway, let's go. We're here! Hi! Mga jobless. Ay, mag-volunteer na lang today. Dito na kami sa school. Ano oras na? Alas 4 pala yung ano namin. Call time. So, we're still early. Let's go. We're here na! Getting ready! Yes. Yun na yung food. Ay, hindi pala. Andiyan na ba yung food? Wala pa. Wala pa yung food. Pangalan pa lang. O, so wala pala akong ipa-vlog. Meron na tayong cookies. And then, mga pa-drinks. Baka maano tayo. Copyright. What you call that? Ayan. Pa-drinks. And getting ready. Ngayon ako nakapag-vlog na meron nanonood. Hi guys! Kasi kami dito.
Look at the camera, you see that?
Hi! Party party!
I don't know why. Nothing shine. I don't know where when I look into your eyes. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Taking you higher. Like nobody else, the way that you
Hey guys, I'm home. It's now 8:15. The event was up to 7 nga pala. Up to 7. And then, siguro umalis kami mga before 7:30. And yeah, hindi naman nothing much to do after after the event kasi may pa-food, may catering kanina. Sila rin naman yung nagligpit. But yun, ang saya, masaya, kaso bitin. Marami pang gustong kumanta, pero syempre, kailangan hanggang 7 lang eh. Hanggang 7 lang yung nakabook. I mean, hanggang 7 yung event, pero parang hanggang 8 or 7:30 yata nakabook yung place. Syempre, including na yung pagligpit and everything. So, ayun, by the way, I finally, nakabug-vlog ako kanina, pero syempre, with all the background noise and everything's going on, hindi man ako napagsalita or nakapagsabi who they were. So, si Jackie, lagi ko nakakasalubong at nakaka-chat ko na rin. Ayun, she's on her 2nd semester right now. And si Kevin, na 1st semester niya this winter. So, nice to meet you. Si Jackie, matagal ko na nami-meet at nakaka-chika. Si Kevin is first time ko nakilala. Tapos today, nagka-timing na magkatabi sila. At, ayun, first time nila nakilala yung isa't isa. So, yun, salamat. So, nanonood ko ng vlog and all that. So, tawag dito, yung palang dalawa kong, hindi ko na-i-vlog yung isa. Actually, hindi ko sa pala na-vlog pareho. Pero yung dalawang student ambassador ko, yung isang Pinoy, si Lance Lawrence Santiago. Follow him on Instagram if you're interested. And si Ahmad, both of them are running for the SATE Student Association Board of Directors. Char, diba? Heavy. Si Lance is running for Vice President, and then si Ahmad is running for President. So, mag-start na sila soon ng kanilang campaign, and I think sa March yung voting for the Student Association Board of Directors. So, yan lang, share ko lang, I'm gonna post on Instagram, share ko lang din na yan, if you're a SATE student and boboto kayo, support my friends. Support my co-ambassadors. Especially si Lance. I see the passion in him, and bata pa, and I think he can do something especially for fellow international students. So, yun guys, boto nyo sila and support. Anyways, I am gonna end the vlog. Nothing much really on this vlog. Sabi ko lang, I want to update you na wala na kaming work. Which, by the way, nagparamdam na naman yung aming ex-boss kanina. At nagpo-propose ng mas mataas na sweldo. Pero, hindi na nireplyan. Hindi na kami interesado talaga at all. So, kahit pa 1 million ipasweldo niya a month. We can't. Ano pa ba yan? Ayun lang. So, update ko lang with you guys. And Jen, sabi ko nga, since may event today, might as well vlog. But tomorrow, wala kaming ganap. Bukas, yung Saturday, catechism ng mga bata. And then, yeah, Sunday, wala din tayong ganap. Let's see what the next week holds for us. Hopefully, yung mga sinabmitan namin na application, may magparamdam, may mag-reply. Hindi lang magparamdam at mag-reply. Minsan kasi may paramdam, pero sorry to inform you, we regret to inform you. Ay, medyo, talaga, challenging maghanap ng work. Kahit yung in-applyan ko na nga na retail dyan sa mall sa tapat namin. Grabe naman yung pimple ko. Uy, 1, 2, hindi, nunal pala to. In-applyan ko sa tapat namin yung winners. Nag-reply sila nung Wednesday. Sorry to inform you, kineme. So, wala na. Anyways, ayun guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next vlog. Good night.